Okay, so today we're gonna do unboxing for this all Clad 6-quart deep saute pan with lid. It's made in the USA, and I bought a 3-ply because due to a lot of reviewing of other videos that the 5-ply is actually not that much different. This is definitely cheaper, so it's a D3 stainless steel. Do take note of the code here, which is 4206. Right. So I've been seeing a lot of videos and I've been using ceramic pans, iron woks. I do a lot of Chinese cooking, Italian and Spanish, and I would really like to master the skill of using the stainless steel pot. And if you have a look at this, this is oven safe, so I can actually cook it in the oven and then bring it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up all of it to see. Right, here it goes. Ta-da. Okay, it looks really good, sturdy, but not that heavy, so you can actually still lift it in with one hand. It comes, it came with some sort of marks, but I think they're fine. And this is really something that I've been looking forward to for a very long time. And let's open the lid. Oh, so the lid is perfect. Although it's not a glass lid that I could see when I put things in, but I think it's really perfect for a saute pan. So yeah, I think this is definitely a good buy for all who need this pan. Follow me to see more cooking videos by using the Clad pan. Bye!